This is a green technology that's going to save Americans money. Welcome to NEWAYbattery.com. I'm Chad Azevedo. Today we're going to be discussing 12-volt batteries and the NEWAY battery regenerator. Now the NEWAY battery regenerator, which I'm going to refer to as the NBR. The NBR is a new machine that allows us to regenerate 12-volt batteries. It takes them through a conditioning process that eliminates the lead sulfate buildup on the lead plates internally on the batteries. Now what this process does is it allows the battery to go back to battery manufacturer specifications. Why is that important? Well, what ends up happening with a battery like this is going through the process of charging and being discharged over a course of time. This lead sulfate builds up on the batteries plates, and the lead sulfate is a non-conductor, which means that the battery, which once was able to hold a full charge being 12 volts, no longer can do that, and it starts running a little lower, and when you get in your car in the morning and try to turn it over, it doesn't want to start properly. So what we're able to do is actually remove that lead sulfate and regenerate the battery. Why don't you take a look here? I'll show you a video. We'll see you back in a few minutes. First, we're going to start by finding the positive battery terminal. We're going to clean both the positive and negative battery terminals. And we're going to attach the red positive lead from the NBR to the positive terminal on the battery. Next, we're going to find the amp hours located on the battery. This should be on a tag or possibly the front of the battery. And it'll indicate in amp hours or give you an indication of AH. We're going to go ahead and set our machine to the same exact amp hours on the battery, which is 115. Next, we're going to take the neutral lead from the NBR and attach it to the neutral/ground lead on the battery terminal. And as you can tell, the machine automatically starts running a diagnostic, and in about 24 hours we will have a reconditioned battery. Oh, welcome back. As you can see on the video, the NBR is quite easy to operate. The whole process is to save these batteries from going to the recycler. This year alone, we're going to send 40 million batteries to a recycler. These batteries are still good. We just need to send them through a reconditioning and put them back into use. So how's that going to save us money? It's going to save your business money. If you're dealing in any large fleet, actually even any vehicle maintenance programs that you have, where you're changing your oils, changing the air filters, every year and a half, you should be running your 12-volt batteries through our conditioning system so that we can continue utilizing these batteries for years to come. There's no need to get rid of these 12-volt batteries no longer. So how can we help you? Well, NEWAY Battery sells our machines. We have a lease program, and soon we're going to have a battery exchange program to where we'll have facilities up and down the state that you can actually bring your battery in and exchange it. So, again, you're visiting www.newaybattery.com. Come back and see us again. Drop us an email if you have any questions. We'll be happy to get a sales rep to get a hold of you in the very near future. And keep checking back with our battery website, because we're going to have much more information to come here in the near future. Take care. We're going to save Americans money. It's all about making that dollar go a little